Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can start a group chat on Google Chat. So press new chat, and I'm just going to select an email and to add in another person to the chat. You're just going to press this over here, and then you're just going to add people by putting their emails in the group. If I can just do that. You know what? I'm just gonna add this person's email, and then I'm just gonna press done, and then I would have created this Google group chat. I'm just gonna quickly delete this. Okay, I'm just gonna press leave, and then that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.